Hello folks, this is Jeff, the Pocket Watch Guy from thepocketwatchguy.com. For your consideration, we have this Elgin grade 571 railroad pocket watch. Just a beautiful timepiece and an excellent timekeeper. Beautiful dial, no flaws, hands are in excellent condition. Let me show you the movement. Pristine movement. No reckless jeweler's tool marks or corrosion. Just a beautiful timepiece. If you have any questions, you can get a hold of me at jeff@thepocketwatchguy.com. Thank you for watching.